Ayan. De Portoli, let's go! It is a welcome to the home of our award-winning Noble One. So, this is the winery grape farm. Grapes. So, this is the vineyard. Grape farm. Grapes. Ayan, ang laki, no? Dito po pala tayo sa Griffith, New South Wales. Ayan, hello everyone! So, nandito tayo sa winery shop, the cellar door. De Bortoli cellar door are open. Ito yung kilalang winery na bilihan ng mga wines. Ayan, home of award-winning Noble One. Tingnan natin to. Family winemakers. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Welcome. Ayan. Hello. Daming tao. Ayan. Pwede din kumain dito at mag-order. Ay, ang mahal. Oh, $100. Ito is, sabi nila, the more mas matagal yung wine, the more mas mahal. Ay, ito. Oh, wala ka dito. 2,000. Noble One. Okay. Yan. Ayan. The De Bortoli Home Award winning. Yan. Yung mga nandito po is galing sila sa bus from the Sydney. So, dahil Spring Fest po today is maraming mga retired na mga tao na nagtutour lang ba. Ayun. Ganda, oh. Wow. Yan. Yung mga price is affordable naman. I think it's okay naman. Pero yung pinakita ko kanina ay bongacious. Yan. Ikaw na lang mamimili kung anong type of wine ang gusto mo. So, ayan. Always exciting. Yan. Yan. Meron talaga silang table and they could have some time there. Ito naman yung counter nila. Tingnan naman natin tong iba. Oh. Ito may vinegar sila and balsamic for the salad. May cranberry jam din sila, oh. Yan. And of course, they have chocolate. This is from the other town. May factory naman, ibang town naman po. So, mga pasta. So, ang De Bortoli is usually a Italian. Is that Italian winery? Italian winery. So, De Bortoli's. Yan. So, ito din yung iba-iba nilang klaseng branch in the other location. Ayan. At Riverina. Ayan. At kung saan-saan pa. Yarra Valley. So, napakalaki nitong cellar doors na to. Ayan, oh. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They started, ito yung family history nila from 1928. So, ano na ngayon? It's 2024. Yan. And then, we gonna buy, magbibili kami nito. $7.50 lang. Etong isang ganyan na siya, isang bottle. So, siguro pwede naman 6 pieces kasi bigay namin sa aming kaibigan na dadalawin sa Queensland. Ayan. Ayan, commercial. Nakita ko tong Coke Diet, oh. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Display siguro. Ang cute lang. And then, kapag bumili ka daw ng 2 bottles of the Bortoli, may free calendar. That's their garden. And then, we have a free calendar for next year. Yay! Thank you! Yan ang mga grapes. So, dyan po sila kumukuha para gawing wine. And it is a family-owned winery vineyard.